Heto na nga ang part 3. Medyo natagalan. Meron lang tayong mga bagay na inasikaso. Ang importante, ang mahalaga. Kaya tara, samahan nyo kami at tugtungan na natin ang nakaraan. Welcome again to British Columbia.
Daddy, what's your favorite show? What's your favorite show when you were a kid?
Who's right there?
Dragon Ball Z.
I like that too.
Who's right?
Slam Dunk. Or Japanese cartoons. Alright, another day. Pakilang araw na natin ngayon, man.
Oh my goodness. 6th day? Yeah.
Good morning, guys! So, ayan. This is our 6th day here. So, ngayong araw ay pupunta kami sa isang falls yata. And we are going to explore the mountains. Anong tawag nun? Cypress Mountain. Kahapon, nanggaling kami dito sa may downtown dito sa Vancouver and explore namin. It was so beautiful. And ngayon, let's see what's gonna happen. It's gonna be an exciting day again. So I guess we'll see you guys later.
Yeah, I'll say it in 100 ways. Please believe me when I say I'm sorry.
So ayan, finally touchdown kami dito sa Porto Cove. Isa siyang old port na hindi na ginagamit. Na ngayon ay isang tourist attraction na lang siya. Ayan. It's very nice.
Yeah, I'll say it in 100 ways. Please believe me when I say I'm sorry. There I go making yet another mistake. It's killing me to see that look on your face. I show some remorse, it's my fault, of course. Made a million wrong decisions, I'll probably make some more. But need to know what's the say, alright, need catching. Yes, you were still not sure, like any biting. But I swear that you're the only one that I see, yeah. 아름다운 머리부터 발끝까지, yeah. This time I'ma do it right. No doubt, 미스 wait on, yeah. 내 맘을 알아줘, no lie. 미안해, 되부지. Baby, I'm sorry for the things that I didn't mean. 정말 미안해, 되부지. Yeah, I'll say it in 100 ways.
Ayan, tapos na kami dun sa Porto Cove. So now we're going to the Shannon Waterfalls. So it's about 20 minutes away lang dun sa pinuntahan namin. So tara, let's go!
A crocodile!
Wait for mom. I'll get a pic instead. Thanks. Mountain. Told you. Thanks. Thanks. So ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa Shannon Falls dito sa British Columbia. So this is how it looks like.
Trees aren't green, the ocean is gray, sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess, it could use a hand. My favorite TV shows are capturing. I know I must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise, I think I'll let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems, I know I can't make it through. Every night it's the same, I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone now. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems, I know. All of my problems, I know. Where did it go?
And tapos na kami sa falls. Now we're heading to Whistler. So it's about an hour, isang oras ang biyahe papunta roon. Let's go! Alright! Touchdown Whistler! So we just arrived, kararating lang namin dito sa Whistler. And maganda rin yung lugar. Parang Banff sa Alberta. I think we need to go down because the tito and the tita and the lolo and the lola are waiting over there. Okay?
How about Ate Sam?
Yeah, and Tito Sam too. Okay? Let's
How
go.
about Tito Jolo?
Yeah, Tito Jola's there too. Alright, let's go down.
Mom, quick!
Kami, andito kami.
Wouldn't lie to you, doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up when we're going dancing. My heart stops beating when my headlights shining on her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing with me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she...
Finally, we're home dito sa aming hotel. Day 6 is done. Ayan, sobra. Nakakapagpahinga na rin sa wakas. Alright guys, good night. See you tomorrow.
She's a little